back with another 3-day giveaway, and we thought we'd bring you something a little bit unique.
In just 72 hours, you will have the choice of a lifetime. Will you be taking home this gorgeous GTSR Maloo or $100,000 in cold hard cash?
Now this thing is super quick, with pulley and intake upgrades, headers and twin 3-inch exhaust. It's got XYZ Coilovers all round and 22-inch GTSR wheels. Now for all the collectors out there, do not worry. The structural integrity of this car has not been modified. So all the upgrades can be switched back to standard, and it can be like it's rolled off the production line floor.
This beauty is worth a whopping $170,000 and it could be in your driveway for as little as $24.95.
There's no time to sleep on this one, guys. Get your entries in now, click that link below and make sure you tune in to our live draw Friday at 7 p.m. Good luck!